back to my channel. I'm just waking up from sleep and I ordered this and it just came in and I needed to use it ASAP. So I'm gonna open this box with you all and let's see how it works. I'm gonna tell you my honest review, because I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on a juicer and come and give some fake reviews. Thank God nobody knows me, of course. Nobody sent me to do this. Nobody sent me. I did it on my own. So this is how it comes. Ooh, nice. For this, I hope I'm not going to connect so many stuff. And this. Now, someone will be asking, what is this? This is OMEGA J8006HDS. It's their slow juicer. I want to see if it truly works well. So the truth is, I really wanted a juicer that would blend ginger, not just blend juice for me. So I'm like, I really need something good that would last. That's why I went for the expensive one, and I want to see if it's gonna work. Fine. If it's not gonna work, I'm gonna return it. But I'm gonna tell you the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God. Yes, so it came in these 2 boxes, and see what it looks like. Okay, it has the cord in here. The cord is right in here by the side, and then the main. Okay, that's heavy. Ooh. Okay, let's go through this real quick so we can watch all I'm taking out of the box. Decided to show you close up of what I decided to show you what it looks like, all the parts it has, so we don't get confused. It has all of this tiny, they all have their functions, I'm sure, for mincing and all of that. But this is not, please, I'm sorry, my nails. But this is not what we're going to use. I told you the main reason I bought this, and I'm trying to show you what it all has. And this, now I'm gonna lose this so you know. I'm gonna lose this one so you see the exact things it has inside, so you don't get confused. You can determine if it's too much for you or just perfect. So you see, it's nothing complicated. Just this goes in right here, and then this, when you're about to mince, you use this one. See it? Let me show you the difference. Excuse me. This has a mesh or holes, but this doesn't. So this is the difference you're having here. This is for juicing. Now, once you put this one, in case you wash it, this is exactly what you do first. You put this one in, and then this one next, so it covers this hole, and then this one. So it has 2 of this, one for juicing and one for mincing, so you don't have like contamination from meat and other stuff like that. But now look, we have the open and the close, so self-explanatory, and then you lock, close. So now when all of these are put together, and now you need to align, I'm gonna turn this around so you can see what it looks like. Now you see that. I don't know if my lighting is good enough, but yeah, okay, great. Now you see it has this and this. You need to align it. I don't know if you're seeing. I need to slant it in such a way you would see what I'm doing. I really want you to just, you see, this is open. I'm trying to check if you can see it. So when I do it, this is closed, this is open. Now we're going to just align and push it in. Now you see, it's in. Now all you need to do is close. You remember I showed you the close here? So this is open. Before you open it, you open. Now this is locked. It's not gonna go anywhere. Now hopefully we've gotten that. And now we're gonna have this one right above it. Now I can pull up my camera a little bit. Now this is it. I needed it to be close so you can see all of these things. Now we have 2 cups here. This goes in. No, this one, I'm sorry. This goes in first, the one that has the curve rhyming with this, and then this one goes in this way, so it takes the chaff. This takes the juice and this takes the chaff. Now that is what it is. Now for this mesh, I can't even remember if I showed you this mesh came along with it. You're gonna put this mesh here if you want it to be you know, juiced smoothly. But if you want all of the, you know, let it not so smooth, like blended but not, you know, you can take it off. For me, most of the time I prefer it take if it's apples and all of that, I can take it off. But for ginger, I wouldn't mind putting this there, and this we would literally press. And the beautiful thing about it is you don't need to think about it. This literally does help you. It ends here. You don't need to be aiming and trying to stop. This stops literally where it ends. So no matter how hard you push, it only stops directly there. So you don't have to be thinking hard trying to push and aim not to hurt the plastic. They did it so well. So that is that for that. Now we're going to try the ginger and we'll see what it looks like, and possibly we would give I'll have a bonus showing you how I make my ginger juice, ginger drink, which my children love so much and they really like it, and it's healthy, so why not? I think I'm gonna throw in that one too. If you like it, stay to the end and see how I make my ginger juice. You won't regret it, trust me. Stay tuned and enjoy juicing with me. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to use for my ginger. I mostly use fresh lemon, or you can use the 100% lemon juice. I have this, which is the ground cloves, and that's what you're seeing right here. It's nothing. So I just brought this so you could see what the content is and what it looks like. You could use any of the cloves. And this is my ginger. I at least cleaned a little bit of it. I don't like the edges. And I chopped my pineapples to the shape I would want to use. Ginger drink. That's my kid's favorite. Perfect. So now it has been turned on. The on button is right there. It goes either forward or backward. Backward, this thing rotating. So I'm not going to say too much right now. We'll just blend this thing. I know this ginger is a lot. I'm gonna put some aside and then work with the little, because it's very spicy. I'm gonna work with the little ginger I need. I just want you to see this. The song that comes to my mind when this chaff is coming out is withholding nothing, withholding nothing. Oh my goodness, it's withholding nothing. Like everything is out. took out everything and I'm so excited. I love what I see. I'm going to tell you the downside of these things. I love what I see, but I'm going to share with you pretty soon that when I'm done, I'll let you know things that I don't so much like about it. Just look at this. I don't know, are you seeing this? Just look at this. Which juicer can give you something dry like this? Put it in the comment section below if you know any juicer that can make this work. Like literally dry. It's just moist. You know what I mean by moist? Like you could feel that wetness, but it's completely, there's no juice of any kind here. You can air dry this. You can air dry this and use it again for your spices and all of that. This is still very much useful, and that's another beautiful thing about it. If you use your sieve to do this, you won't get this result. Now I'm going to put this down here so that it wouldn't leak and show you what we have. This is the juice we have. Just look at this. So look at what I gained from this. So set this aside and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, I set everything aside. Now let's juice our pineapples. For my lemon, I'm gonna squeeze it and use the juice, but I'll set it aside for later. We want to wash this. All we need to do is take out all that is here. This is out. Now, if you remember how we put it in, if you remember there's an open and a close here, all you need to do is push this. I hope you're seeing it. And this is good. And you're gonna take this one and wash it. Now we're gonna open everything up. So you see this is closed, this is open, so you need to twist it. Now we have this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, okay, you can see it. Now this, don't forget, you're gonna take out this one. There's this one. I was not patient enough for everything to come up, but honestly it did a good job. It really did a good job. Pineapple always is soggy. This one, this one. So this is all you have to wash. So let's go wash. Okay, now here we go. I'm gonna put in there. So I'm sure you know you can throw this into the dishwasher because it's dishwasher safe and you could get away with that, no stress. I want to just prove to you that this thing can be washed literally by running water. This is good, but of course you know we love to just use the sponge, so I'm going to use it for that, just to fulfill all righteousness. So you can see it was totally clean. Now let's go make our juice. Now, one thing I do is I avoid just using sugar. This has 0 added sugar. So what I do is I prefer to use natural sugar. And again, I can use freshly squeezed orange to give me that sugar I need. But most times, we prefer, for the kids, we prefer pineapples. So I would put pineapple juice inside. The good thing is you don't need to measure your ingredients. Just what you feel you can take is what you can put in there. Try this at home, you will not regret it. Now, speaking of our downsides, if you can take a look at this part of it, it actually has juice in it a little bit. So when you mince meat, or you blend, or you do your ground beef or something, this can have cross contamination, which I'm concerned about. That's my downside about this thing right now. And so you need to be very, very watchful when you're making meat and pasta and all of those things you want to do, because when you come back to making cold pressed juice or veggies, it's something you're gonna just consume without boiling. So it's very dangerous, I guess. I don't know that much. I am sure because this is covered, they would say it has no contact because it goes this way. It doesn't come back, it only goes out, which is very, very possible. But there is a great tendency of cross contamination, which I think personally. Another downside is this hole, which is quite tiny. This is like 2 inches, I guess. Yes, 2 inches wide, which you have to slice everything you're gonna put inside, like into teeny tiny bits, in order to put them in. So if you're in a hurry, you don't want to use this thing, but the results are amazing. I love it. I would keep it. I would use it all the time, and it doesn't even feel stressed when that ginger goes in there. I have used a juicer. When you put ginger, you will know, and you know how loud those things can be. This one is not loud. One thing, even if you have visitors around, you could literally do it immediately. It's not too loud, it's not too distracting, it's not like taking away from the whole atmosphere of peace that you have. And you just have to do a little more of work, and it's a little bit slow. It's not so fast, but I love this thing, and it feels like it's gonna last me because I'm always gonna do ginger here. I don't even think if I want to go for meat, but I really love this thing. And if you do, but if you don't like it, tell me another one that is close to this that could do the same for a cheaper price, and would do literally the same thing and even better. Put in the comment section to let me know the best product out there. But for me, honestly, I love this OMEGA J8006HDS. It is amazing, and I can't wait to make this my bestie, because ginger is something we take all the time in this house. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, to my channel, and let's make it ours. Let's do this together. And yes, if you have any questions, just DM me, ask me anything. I will be available to let you know about it. And if I would one day mince meat or do pasta, or I'm not a foodie person like that, but if by mistake I would try, coincidentally, accidentally, I would try that, I would surely record it and show you guys. And thank you so much again for watching. Thank you for those who came back to watch, and thank you watch my YouTube videos. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for those watching for the first time. I hope you truly subscribe. I am counting on you for your subscription. Thank you so much. Love you guys so much. Bye.